So I needed a place to start my seeds before I took them down the allotment. And I don't like buying stuff or seeing stuff go to waste, but I do like making stuff. So I wanted to make this greenhouse out of old windows and reclaimed wood. Basically everything's free, but we'll get to that later while I'm making it. So let's ride! So first things first, this is our area. This is where it's gonna go. I made up my frame using a hammer, reclaimed nails in my trusty bag. I didn't have thick enough wood, so I sandwiched 2 bits of pallet wood together. So we've got our temporary braces on the top and the bottom. That way everything will stay square before we put the windows on. Crunch time now, we're going to put in the windows. So yeah, I'm terrified at this point because if they smash I'll be gutted, and they're so heavy. They don't even look it, but they are so heavy. Right, here we go. Get everything ready. Got your big level. Look at me. I had lying around from various projects. Some of it's proper old, but seems okay, we'll see. And the windows I got from Zuckerberg Marketplace. Someone was taking them out of their old houseboat, believe it or not, and I came and got them from their houseboat on the Thames. And the doors I paid a tenner for, again on Facebook Marketplace. This person couldn't sell them. They had them on there for a bit more. They couldn't sell them. Nobody wanted them. I don't know why. They're lovely. Thinking, am I allowed to put, does this count as a permanent structure? Am I allowed to put this up here? We're renting this flat and it's got this little bit outside here. I'm not sure. When this amazing video is viral and my landlord watches it whilst he's eating his Cheerios, sorry. Rented place, it's modular, it's been built modular. So what I mean by that is you can take apart the panels, the different panels quite easily. So if say we did move or you didn't want it there and I had to take up the allotment or put it in somebody's garden or whatever, I can basically unscrew a few screws and lift off the roof and then the 3 side panels and then obviously the doors and easily take it wherever. on this, but to be fair, the wood's about 20 years old anyway, so we're nearly done now. We've just got the sides at the top to fill in, and if we manage to do that with the wood we've got, which I reckon we will, the challenge will be completed and we would have made it out of 100% reclaimed wood, so be happy with that. Painting now in the dark, and by the time you see it, it's going to be all finished with the roof on. Good night. Good morning. We didn't quite get the roof on, but that's what we're up to now. So I was a little bit 50-50 about using the plastic sheet on top. I wanted to use some old windows or some glass or something like that. It needed to be transparent, and I couldn't find the suitable windows, and to get glass made it would be just too expensive. So we've gone for the plastic sheets. I managed to get one for free, but I had to buy the other one. I'm not sure how I feel. I mean, it should last for a long time and is so good for this purpose, right? Clear, easy, cheap. It never feels great, doesn't it, buying it? But all that being said, there's nuance to everything. There's a place for plastic, and is this one of them? I think so. What do you think? Doesn't feel great, but the rest of it is reclaimed, so I'm feeling good about that. Be a big YouTuber, you gotta paint your greenhouse. Now the construction had to be a little bit Jiminy Watts' face because it was all out of reclaimed wood, so I didn't have necessarily the same bits of wood to mirror either side of the greenhouse. But I think it's managed to come together, especially once you put a lick of paint on it. I think it's managed to come together and look relatively uniform. Obviously it doesn't look like a shop bought something or other, but that ain't what it's supposed to be, and that ain't what it is. This is made out of wood that was found in a pile, ready to go on the bonfire. Half of it's rotten, but I'm confident this greenhouse will last forever. watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos like this, and of course like it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you have a great day.